I am, but you know what? I ain't want to. I wanted to harbor my gift and keep it to myself. Surely there was enough hairstylists out here already. At least that's what I thought in my mind. I just knew I was meant to do and be something that nobody has ever done in life. But the more I ran away from doing hair, the more God brought me back to it. I can't tell you the number of jobs I had and always had hair as a side hustle. And even when I quit, I did hair until the next job came through. But since I have surrendered my plans to God, I can't tell you the number of doors that have been open and are being opened for me. I had to realize my gift wasn't for me, but for the people who trust me with their crown or those who even admire from a distance. I appreciate each and every one of you, though. To everyone that gave their praise, I thank you. To everyone that gave constructive criticism, I thank you. To the I would never stylists and clients, I thank you. I'm not everyone's cup of tea, and I'm not trying to be. I was in the beginning, but I'm not there anymore. That's a story for another day, though. But that's why there are so many stylists and so many clients in the world. Find who fits you and your needs. And before I go, if God gave you a gift, use it. Take a chance trusting God and see how things work out for you. Don't let imposter syndrome keep you from doing what you're called to do like me. I spent so much time getting in my own way, holding myself back. But that's all behind me now, baby, and I pray the same thing for you. That wasn't even what this voiceover was supposed to be about, but I hope it helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Bye.